Ever wonder what makes a great data analyst stand out from the crowd? It's tools they know how to leverage. And in the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate on Coursera, you'll learn some of the most powerful tools for turning raw data into impactful insights. First up, Spreadsheets. Whether you're crunching numbers in Excel or collaborating in Google Sheets, you'll master essential skills like functions, formulas, and pivot tables. Plus, you'll learn pro techniques for cleaning and validating data. These are must-have skills for roles like business analysts and HR data specialists. Next, we have SQL with BigQuery, your gateway to exploring massive datasets. You'll start with basic queries and work your way up to more complex analysis, from business analysts to database administrators. SQL is the language that helps professionals unlock valuable insights from structured data. Want to tell compelling stories with data? That's where Tableau comes in. You'll learn to create interactive dashboards and visualizations that bring data to life. Whether you're a marketing analyst tracking campaign performance or a product manager sharing insights, Tableau will help you communicate data clearly and effectively. And then there's R programming with RStudio. Don't worry if you're new to coding. You'll start with the basics and build up to creating professional visualizations and automated analysis. This introduction to R opens doors to roles like data scientist and research analyst. Throughout the certificate, you'll apply these tools to real-world projects while learning essential skills like data ethics and bias awareness. By the end, you'll have a portfolio of work showing you can clean, analyze, and present data like a pro. Don't wait to turn curiosity into career growth. Subscribe to our channel for more learning tips and sign up for the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate on Coursera to get started.